Hi everyone, I'm doing a little walkthrough of one of my latest projects with you guys. This is from a digital kit, a printable kit, and it's a little accordion folio, so you can see there on the side it's pretty thick. And we're just gonna go through it together and look at some of the other pieces of ephemera. The reason I'm doing this is because I made a tutorial on this, and I'll try and have that linked in the description for you guys to check out. I made the tutorial and I didn't do a very good job at showing you guys the finished product, and so I was getting some questions and comments on that and wanting to see some close-up features. So that's what we're going to do today. The closure method I chose to do was just a little brad, and then if we flip it open you can see that I actually covered the back of the brad with this neutral piece of paper just to hide it a little bit more. And here is the accordion feature. I printed everything on 110-pound cardstock, which is a lighter weight cardstock, kind of the middle ground I would say. It's not too heavy, but I can show you guys some of the features of this journal. We have a cross, kind of slanted belly band with a fun collage here, and this is the tag that was under. I love this tag because it's super vintage. We added some thread under the back of this tab, and we also sanded the edges a little bit to make this really kind of grungy feeling tag. And then on the inside of this first pocket are my two favorite pieces of ephemera from the whole kit, which it's this like light green one and this tag. And I did add sewing onto this tag. I also sanded this tag, you can see a little bit there. And I thought it was really cute, really fun. So there's the backs. I love those two pieces. They just work really nicely together as well, and they feel very hefty, very strong. On the inside of this pocket, let's see, we have a couple. We have a piece of ephemera that's two-sided, and I chose to leave this one open. Sometimes I close them, sometimes I leave them open. And then I added this journal card on the inside. I have dirt bikes and motorcycles go by my house every few minutes, I swear. So that's fun. Add that back in, go to the next one. I love this one. This one we turn into just a pocket. So it doesn't open, but it is a pocket up there at the top. Old vintage framed ephemera and a beautiful botanical print with this kind of dusty blue piece of ephemera that I just like to add there on the inside of the pocket. In this one we have a lot. It barely fit because I made the butterfly go over the edge a little bit there, but some slanted pocket kind of look here, a writing card, little tags, a really cute collage on the front. We have this swivel tag here, and another one of my favorite pieces from the kit, this vintage baggage tag. I love this one. I think it's so cool. And I actually folded it right there and then inked to really get a cool effect. And then in the very back, so we have some small envelopes here, and in the very back we added just one piece of ephemera. Oh, sorry. Tall and skinny with a faux button. It's darling. I love it. So definitely some extra room in there too if more things wanted to get added. And then I do have to tuck this in from the bottom because I added this tab. Wasn't really thinking. Added that tab and it just made it so it wouldn't fit. So, but if I add it from the bottom, it fits. So that's how I close that. And then to finally close it all the way, I just fold my top flap down and I just do the one loop, and that is kind of, I think I just cut that out of the video. Just do the one loop like that, and it's done. The fun thing about this one is it was really customizable. You can tuck whatever tags you want anywhere, changes the whole look. The point is it's just a fun and beautiful kit that coordinates and a really simple project. I said this in my last video, but this on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being an easy project and 10 being a really difficult project, I would personally rate this one around 3 because it is actually super easy to create your folio, your accordion folio, and it is really fun also to just embellish it. So if you guys like this, I will have the digital kit linked as well as the tutorial on how I made it. We do some fun things in the video, so go and check it out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We will see you next time. Goodbye.